You can see this is the joystick, this is the microcontroller, this is the motor driver, this is the DC motor, this is the wheels. When I operate the joystick switches, that time robot is working and also corresponding the light will be working. Okay, so just I give the x-axis and y-axis signal to the arduino microcontroller. Arduino microcontroller take the signals and control the output LEDs and also the motor drivers, or the motor drivers control the motors and tires working corresponding. Okay, you see here, when I operate the joystick, the output will be changing. Here the output changing, you just see that. Okay.